Welcome to our top tech review. Today we have an exciting product that's causing a stir in the world of noise-canceling earbuds, the SONY WF1000XM5. These earbuds have taken inspiration from their successful predecessor, the WF1000XM4, and have gone even further to redefine the ANC game. With a focus on comfort, outstanding ANC performance, and impressive battery life, the XM5 is aiming to secure its spot as one of the best noise-canceling earbuds on the market. Sony is in a three-way tug-of-war with industry giants Apple and Bose, but with these latest earbuds, they are ready to flex their ANC prowess and outshine the competition. Throughout this video, we'll dive deep into the improved noise-canceling performance, enhanced sound quality, and increased comfort of the XM5. So if you're eager to know whether Sony can pull ahead or if they're feeling the heat from their rivals, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into it. User experience. Discovering the Sony XM5 is a treat, as the package offers a thoughtfully designed ensemble comprising the earbuds, charging case, USB charging cable, and documentation, all enclosed in an eco-friendly recycled paper packaging. Including are various polyurethane foam ear tips, including extra small sizes to cater to those with smaller ear canals. Sony is focused on ensuring comfort with the XM5, making them 25% smaller and 20% lighter than their predecessor, promising a cozy experience even during prolonged listening sessions. The earbuds feature an elegant design combining glossy and matte finishes. While the touch control areas boast a premium feel with their matte coating, the glossy sides may feel less so and slightly slippery. Yet with careful handling, they stay securely in place. Sony has paid attention to user feedback, addressing the issue of ear tips. The XM5's improved internal structure and more angled nozzles provide a better fit, eliminating worries about the earbuds popping out. The charging case complements the earbuds with its matte speckled finish, exuding a sophisticated vibe. It has been downsized by 15% compared to its predecessor and now features a dedicated pairing button at the back and a discrete LED indicator at the front. Supporting USB-C charging and HUI wireless charging, the case offers ample battery life for 3 charge cycles, ensuring you stay powered up for hours of audio enjoyment. Sony's dedication to refining the XM5 makes them an appealing and comfortable choice for all audiophiles. Control. The Sony XM5 brings significant improvements to touch control operations compared to its predecessors. Unlike previous generations, where each earbud had limited functions, the XM5 introduces a versatile touch control system with multiple actions at your fingertips. Let's take a look at the default controls. One tap on either bud allows you to toggle between active noise cancellation and ambient sound modes, or play/pause your music. Double tapping on either bud provides quick access to the next track, and triple tapping on either bud allows for quick access to the previous track. Moreover, 4 taps on either bud can adjust the volume, down on the left bud and up on the right bud. Finally, to activate the quick attention feature or summon your voice assistant, simply hold down on the left earbud control. One fantastic feature worth noting is the automatic pausing when removing an earbud from your ear. Both buds will pause your music, and on the other earbud, Sony's pass-through feature will be activated. Alternatively, you can manually engage the pass-through mode by holding down on the left earbud control. These enhanced touch controls offer a seamless and intuitive experience, providing easy access to various functions, making your interactions with an XM5 truly convenient and enjoyable. Whether you're managing your music or adjusting settings on the go, Sony has streamlined the user experience, ensuring these earbuds cater to your every need. Utilizing Sony Headphones Connect. To truly harness the full potential of the XM5, one essential step is downloading the Sony Headphones Connect app. This powerful app opens up a world of possibilities beyond simple firmware updates. With it, you gain control over every aspect of your listening experience. Tailor your sound to perfection by creating personalized EQ profiles, fine-tune the ambient sound feature to suit your surroundings, and even customize the touch sensor functions for intuitive controls. But that's not all. The Headphones Connect app brings even more exclusive features to the table. Delve into the immersive realm of Sony 360 Reality Audio, where you'll be surrounded by music like never before. Experience the convenience of speak-to-chat, automatically pausing your music and activating ambient sound when you start a conversation, making it a breeze to stay connected to your surroundings. On top of that, Sony's DSEE Extreme algorithm works its magic, upscaling lower-quality lossy audio files to a higher level of clarity and fidelity. So whether you're an audiophile seeking perfection or just someone who wants the best from their earbuds, the Headphones Connect app is an absolute must-have companion for the XM5. It's available for both Android and iOS, ensuring that everyone can unlock the full potential of these exceptional earbuds. Battery. Don't be fooled by its small size. The Sony XM5 packs a powerful punch when it comes to battery life. According to Sony's claims, these earbuds offer an impressive 8 hours of continuous playback, with the charging case extending it up to a total of 24 hours, just like its predecessor, the XM4. However, in our rigorous testing, the XM5 exceeded expectations, lasting a remarkable 9 hours and 32 minutes on a single charge, over an hour longer than its predecessor. That's some serious playtime for all your favorite music and podcasts. Worried about charging options? Fear not. You can power up the XM5 using a USB-C cable or place the case on a Qi wireless charging pad, making it a breeze to keep your music going wherever you are. Sony has truly amped up the battery life in the XM5, ensuring you'll enjoy your favorite tunes for extended periods without any interruptions. Noise cancellation. The Sony XM5 takes active noise canceling to the next level, surpassing its highly regarded predecessor. These earbuds boast exceptional ANC performance, thanks to the improved ear tips that ensure a secure fit, increased comfort, and superb isolation. With the ability to block out incidental high-frequency noises like bustling construction or the screech of a subway car, these buds create a serene audio sanctuary. The updated foam ear tips, now more flexible, excel at eliminating background noise. Compared to the XM4's ear tips, they provide even better isolation, reducing noise by up to an impressive 15 decibels in the low end and up to 50 decibels for sounds above 1 kHz, akin to the efficiency of top-notch earplugs. Sony has equipped the XM5 with 2 new processors, the integrated processor V2 and the HD noise-canceling processor, which work in tandem to enhance ANC performance. With 6 microphones processing signals and new dual feedback mix monitoring low-frequency noise, the ANC attenuates over 30 decibels of outside noise below 1 kHz, along with remarkable passive isolation. For daily commuters, jet setters, and busy office goers, the XM5 proves to be an excellent companion. During my own morning commute, I found the earbuds effectively blocking out the screeches and clatter of old subway cars, allowing me to tune out and focus on the day ahead. When situational awareness is essential, a quick tap on the left earbud toggles the ANC to ambient sound mode, allowing environmental sounds. Adjusting the amount of ambient sound you hear is a breeze with the Sony Headphones Connect app. The Sony XM5 not only elevates your audio experience, but also grants you control over your auditory environment, making them a true delight to use in various settings. Wrapping up our review, the Sony XM5 undoubtedly stands tall among the best noise-canceling earbuds available today, though their premium price of $300 may give budget-conscious listeners pause. However, if you prioritize exceptional active noise cancellation, top-notch sound quality, and comprehensive software support, the XM5 justifies its higher cost. For those who already own the Sony XM4, the decision to upgrade might not be as straightforward. While the XM5 does bring improvements in comfort and fit, the sound quality and active noise cancellation enhancements might not be significant enough to warrant spending $300 on an upgrade. Ultimately, the choice comes down to personal preferences and needs. If you struggle with the fit of the XM4 and seek improved comfort, the XM5 could be a worthy investment. However, for existing XM4 owners content with their current earbuds, the benefits of upgrading may not outweigh the cost. And that's a wrap on today's video, where we covered all you need to know about the Sony XM5. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe on your way out. We appreciate your support and look forward to catching you in the next one. Happy listening.